I'm Lori. I'm the curator here at Faust Park. We are at African School Number 4. African School Number 4 was built in 1894 here in Chesterfield. In 1889, the state constitution of Missouri said that if you had 20 students or more in a district, you had to build a school for them. By 1893, there were already 20 African American students in the Chesterfield district. The school district unfortunately did not build a school for them, so the parents actually took them to the county court, which said that they had to build a school. For about 9 months while they were building the school, they actually paid to send the students to Hilltown African School, which actually stood directly across the street from Faust Park, and has unfortunately did not survive. African School Number 4 in the Chesterfield District Number 26 did survive. It was used up until the mid-1950s. Mid-1950s they actually merged with Orville School, which is on Church Road in West Lynn Acres. And then in the 1960s they actually desegregated the St. Louis County schools about 10 years after Brown versus Board of Education. So African School Number 4 has always been sort of on our radar, wanting to bring it here to the park to preserve it. It wasn't until 2020 that someone purchased it and actually donated it to the park. It is under restoration right now. It probably does not look like much is happening on it if you've been to the park lately, but it's because most of the work that's currently going on now is going on in different buildings. So they're doing things like painting, which you can't do outside in the winter. So we're hoping to open it sometime this spring, and if you stay tuned, we will put that out on our Facebook pages on when the opening will be.